Hi, welcome to the Houseman channel. It's me again. If you're first time here, Houseman is a person very keen on doing a DIY or fixing the things that you think that you must be a professional to do it. But actually can do it at home, saving time for the booking, saving time to wait for the mechanics or professional to come, and save the money as well. Today I would like to talk about this Vaillant boiler ecoFit pure model. Winter is coming, so how to do this maintenance, or people will see the F.22 error code there because of the low pressure. Today I'm going to tell you how to pasteurize this model by yourself. And at the top of this video you may see some other videos that are related to other boilers, how to pasteurize them, or how to do the maintenance of your radiators at home, or how to check the whole system that prevents some leaks, and all those stuff that you may find it useful. So before I start, please subscribe and make the comments below and hit the notification bell so that if there is any new video you will notice it. So let's get started. This boiler is pretty new, only run for only a year, so everything works normal. And the winter time comes, you don't like that the boiler is not operating. Some of you will see F22 here. Today I'm going to how to fix that F22. Even my boiler works fine. The idea is to put this bar at the middle or near the top, so it will be working fine. If you find that there is a error code F22, you can fix it by yourself. Dash line is the lower limit, and the upper line just below the triangle. The upper line is the upper limit. So the fielded color, the triangle, is depressed at the moment. At the moment, this is fine, but I'm going to show you how to pressurize it, just in case this pressure goes below the limit. So what you need to do is to press this button, the radiator one, twice, and you see the number, digital number 1.4 of this pressure. So the lower limit is 0.5 and upper limit is 3.0. Underneath the boiler, again, you will find a whole bunch of pipes and valves with the different colors, different configuration. But this model, the configuration is like this, is pretty standard. You will find there are a yellow valve at the plus and minus, and there are two black valves here. To pressurize this boiler, we have to touch these two valves only. First, I want to say the reason why the boiler is going to have low pressure of F22 for some of you, because there is low pressure, not enough water inside the radiator or the system. So now you have to give the system more water, more pressure, so it will be working fine. The first one you have to touch is the left one, turn it down. Look up here, you see nothing. Nothing changed it, because actually this valve is connected to the other one to allow the water to flow into the boiler. So the next step is to turn this down. You will hear the sound of the flow of the water. The water is flowing in, and then the pressure here will be rising. Also this number will be rising. If you have F22, after you turn the right hand knob, the valve, the water will flow in and the pressure will rise, and the F22 will disappear. So let's try to pressurize my boiler, because my boiler is going on the low side. Just turn it on a little bit. I'm not fully turning on because it will flow in slowly, and you will hear the water flowing in as well. So let me turn it more, open it more. and we see it was 1.4. Now it's 1.6, 1.7. The idea is to put it in the middle, I think, or just at the high side, but not near the dot line. I will tell you why after a second. So 1.8, 1.9. Okay, today I want to press up to 2.0. That's it. Let me close it. So I close the valve here, and it becomes silence. And don't forget to turn it left one as well. So make those two horizontal, and we'll stop. And if you have F.22, this one will become normal and showing you this, and the boiler will work again. Okay, talk about the pressure. Why we don't like this pressure going to near the high side, because when it's operating daily, the pressure will rise a little bit because the hot water inside will expand the pipe and the pressure will rise. So if you pressure it very near to the top limit, 1 or 2 days or a week later, because of the pressure inside will rise, this is normal. It may go beyond or go higher to the upper limit, then this is not good. So I recommend you put it in the middle, like 0.5 to 3.0. Now I have 2.0 pressure is in an optimum place, and it is good. If you find it going down or going rapidly down, there will be some leak in your system, maybe some water leaking in your radiator pipe, or there is another malfunction in the system. If you find that it is going 2.2, 2.3 after a day or two, a week, that is normal because of what I said is the expansion of the heat. But if you keep going up to the upper limit or beyond it, you have to find your plumber to check it. So this is a very simple way to repressurize your boiler or get rid of the F.22 error code by yourself with the plumber. Just 2 minutes, you have done it. And it is good, right? If you like it, please subscribe it and hit the notification bell. Also put some comment below if you find some more interesting things or your experience on your boiler. I hope you enjoy the winter with the warm water, bathing, and a warm living room, and all go comfortable your family and your winter, your Christmas time, all those stuff. Thank you. See you again later.